Hey guys, this is how to grow on Bluesky. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply open the application. The first tip that I would give you is just simply go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here guys, just simply tap on edit profile. And the one thing that I would recommend is just simply provide a clear profile picture and just simply provide a compelling bio as well and include your links to other platform or projects in order for you to build trust and attract followers. So make sure you have a good profile. And once you have done that, guys, another tip that I would recommend is just simply share content on a Blue Sky, like do some like, comment, and repost in order for you to build connection. And the more you engage, the more likely others will follow you back and interact with your post. And another thing that you would do is just simply tap on the search icon on the bottom down below. And from here, guys, as you can see, you will have your suggested account and you should be able to see here discover new feeds. And from here, you can just simply follow this feed. And from there, you should be able to interact with the others as well. And as you can see at the top, you should be able to see feeds updated. And when you go to your home, you should have a different feed for you. And from here, guys, you should be able to add more people into your account. And from there, just simply join a trending conversation and just simply add your unique perspective and tag relevant users to expand your reach.